Hello hook loopers, welcome to my crochet channel. I'm Sarah. I am working on a crochet granny square bag these days, and I'm using this typical ridged single crochet join as you go method. So today I would like to show you how this is done. So here I have my partial work and I need to join my next piece here. Okay, so I will join here at this corner and attach through single crochet all the way down here, do this corner here and down here. So I already have my next granny square. As you see, I've worked it all until this double crochet beige border here. Now I have I am at the corner at one of the corners here of the spaces here, and my hook is prepared. So I take my piece here where I want to attach, and with the yarn over above our work, I'm going to insert the hook from bottom to top inside that space here where I need to join. Then I yarn over with my yarn, pull through the space only first, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and single crochet. And that's the first join, let's say. And now what I do is I need to work in single crochet across this line, inserting the hook in the matching double crochets from one square to the other. So what I do is I see where my first double crochet is, which is this one here. I insert the hook here on top of it, and then I go looking for the first double crochet of my matching square here, which is here. I insert the hook there. Okay, now I yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook and single crochet. Okay, so this is very simple, and this is what you need to do across. This is not complicated at all. So I go under the next stitch and under the corresponding stitch on the other side, in the other square, yarn over, pull through and single crochet. Okay, the only thing you need to pay attention to is that you really take with you the matching stitches. It should be the exact same number on both sides, so that you end up here with no skipped stitches or uneven stitches, let's say. So, and this is what I do across very easily. I remember this is, I think, the first method, the first joining method I learned when I first started crocheting, and I used to use this all the time because I thought it was the easiest and quickest way to join 2 pieces of crochet together. Now, of course, I know this is not the only method. Of course, it depends on the work you are doing. So in this case, it is almost a decorative kind of joining. Okay, it's plainly visible. While if you needed to join 2 pieces in an invisible way, there are other ways that are equally easy to learn and to do, and just as quick as this, I think. Okay, so here I am almost at the end of my first side here. Okay, so I'm approaching the space here. So 2 stitches left to join here and here. Okay, it's here. Now, what I do now is I insert the hook in both spaces of both squares. So first here and then here, and again do a single crochet. Then, so as to have no gaps here at the corner, what I do is, okay, I have these loose tails here. So I insert the hook here, and the last single crochet of my row here, my joining I did previously. Okay, and I do a single crochet here. So I yarn over, pull through that stitch only, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and single crochet, and this is joined. Now I will do the same with the other joining here. Okay, so as to form a nice place in the middle where it's everything is joined and there are no gaps, no holes. So I do the same. I insert the hook in that last joining single crochet here, yarn over, pull through that stitch only first, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and single crochet. And now here I have reached the other side of my squares here, where I'm going to repeat what I have done in my first side here that I've shown you. And at the same time I will work over those loose tails here I had from cutting yarn in my previous joinings. And this is also an advantage of this single crochet method, that you can easily hide your loose ends while you work, while you join. So no weaving in ends after your work, which I hate, as you probably know. So as I said, you look for the first double crochet of that side here, which is this one. Insert the hook under it and search for that same stitch on the other side, which is, let's see, here. Okay, yarn over, pull through both, 2 loops on the hook and single crochet. And as I do so, I take my tails and I hide them as I work, and so on and so forth. Second stitch, oops, look for the second stitch, which is here, the corresponding, the matching stitch, and single crochet. And that's how I'll work until the end here, where I will finish by doing a single crochet in the spaces of both squares. Okay, here and here on the other side, just like I did previously. And then I will cut off the yarn for the time being, and when I finished the next colorful square, I will attach it just like I've shown you. Okay, so I hope you liked this video and you find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.